In this video, we're going to walk through the steps to set up Apple CarPlay in your new Panamera. The first step in the process is to select the Apple CarPlay icon. Please enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to use Apple CarPlay. On the car, select Activate. It's going to begin searching for devices. Select Settings and then Bluetooth. You can see your phone here. You also have a screen that will pop up on your phone. Select Pair. Allow your favorites to sync. Select Allow. A new device is detected. Would you like to continue launching Apple CarPlay? Yes. Apple CarPlay is now wirelessly connected to your vehicle. Another way to connect your Apple device to Apple CarPlay is to use the cable. Now, depending on your iPhone model, that may be USB-C to Lightning or USB-C to USB-C. You can plug it here in the cell phone charging compartment and then plug the other end into your phone. You'll have a pop-up that says, "New device detected. Would you like to use Apple CarPlay?" Yes. You now can set up Apple CarPlay in your new Panamera.